everyone, my name's Emma. I'm from Sea Life Kelly Tultons. We're really excited to be reopening very soon, Monday the 31st of August. When we reopen, we'll be encouraging all of our guests to wear reusable face masks or face coverings of some kind. If you're anything like me, you're a little bit concerned about the impact all of these disposable face masks are having on our marine environment, any environment in fact. And if you want to make a mask yourself at home, it's actually very easy to do that. So I wanted to share with you just one way of making your own face covering. So what we're going to use today is just a scarf. You can use a handkerchief, you could use a cotton t-shirt, anything that you have around the house. I have this kind of silky scarf that I'm going to use. The fabric is a little bit thin. You definitely want cotton, some kind of thicker material, but I'm going to fold this over several times to build up that thickness. So you just need a fabric of some kind and also 2 hair ties, which you can of course pick up at any supermarket. So that's all you need to make a reusable face covering. Okay, so what I'm using to make my face covering is this square scarf. It is thin material, so I'm going to fold mine over quite a few times to make just one square. There we go, to thicken that up a bit. Cotton is the best fabric to use, a slightly thicker cotton than what this is. And the guidelines say 2 to 3 layers is ideal, so we're going to go ahead and make 3 layers with this. So we're just folding it over itself to make those 3 layers. So now you have your strip of fabric there, and you've got your 2 hair ties, and you're just going to go ahead and loop those around either end. Okay, so loop that around one end, loop this one around the other. Now you don't want to bring them too far into the center. You just want them kind of on the edges. This bit here is what's going to go over your face. And then you're just folding. You just need to fold, you don't need to stitch or glue or anything like that. You're just folding them in like so. Okay, great. So you've got your strip of fabric, you've got your hair ties on either end, and you've folded them in. Now just carefully, not unfolding either side, you just want to put one edge over your ear, stretch it across the front, and then take the other band and put it over your other ear. You can adjust it so it's sitting properly on your face, and that's really nice and snug. You can see that you can adjust the sides by pulling out more fabric if you need more space, or making it tighter by making those folds a bit closer in. And there you have it. So that is one way to make a reusable face covering. Like I said earlier, cotton is better than this thinner silky material. So if you do have any handkerchiefs or old cotton shirts that you don't mind cutting a square out of, those are absolutely ideal. But this is a really quick and easy way of making a reusable face covering, so you don't have to use endless and endless numbers of those disposable face masks. So hopefully that gives you something to do. Hopefully it saves you buying a few disposable face masks, and hopefully we'll be seeing you on Monday the 31st of August, or as soon after that as we can. Thank you very much. Bye.